Boy, they were like models. Their confident level. They were like really hot girls walking out, feeling proud about themselves.
From the minute we get put on my bad suit, but it feel nice because you to open know somebody up now. Putting on a bathing suit was fabulous for me. It was fabulous. I'm coming from 290 pounds. I feel fabulous. And it's only going to get better. Only going to get better. I was in a one piece today. Check me when I'm in my two piece.
I always like these slides, right? But the journey if you go up to the slide, yo, I walk off all that food I eat. But anyway, when I reach up there, I start get afraid, you know, cause like the feeling to go into the enclosed thing, it kind of scary. But the journey if you go walk, come back down, that never happened.
The first time when I went up for the slide, I just really went for the walk just to see. I wasn't really into actually going. I was contemplating whether I should go in there or not. I was just weighing my mind. I went back up because apparently you guys need me for TV.
When Andrea was coming down, we could tell that Andrea was coming because one of the time all water splash out from the sides, the slider shake and all them stuff there. So we didn't know if Andrea come down. It was hilarious.
Andrea coming down again. He's always on a downward spiral, you know.
Yes, finally, he did it. Awesome.
But like after I come down like one good 5 seconds, I not see him come up. I say no, but this serious. Next thing I know, I see foot in the ear.
Never pretty, you know. Never pretty at all.
When I saw him struggle, my heart sank. Because, you know, it was no longer funny for me. I felt like Andre can drown for this. My heart really sank. Everything flashed into my eye. I mean, my head went. I said, okay, why we never just make him stay?
If me never send my rescue team for him, you know, he wouldn't come back at town. I had to call out to my white friend. You know, I had a friend over there that's visiting from Europe. And I say, Mike, go get him. And Mike gave him a hand.